Founded in 2015, BOOSTESS New Energy Technology Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise specialized in the design, R&D, production and sales of advanced energy storage products. Headquartered at number 1279 Toshia Road, Cheesy Wisdom Industrial Park, Shangqing District, we have assembled a top-tier team of R&D experts, sales elites and overseas high-level talents. With sustained R&D investment, we've expanded our footprint across multiple high-growth fields including smart manufacturing, big data platforms, low-altitude energy management, solid-state batteries and computing power storage. Our core product portfolio covers source grid load storage systems, containerized energy storage systems, industrial and commercial energy storage systems, portable power stations and smart residential energy storage systems. In the digital era where everything is interconnected, we leverage the advanced lean manufacturing experience of Shizi United to build a high-quality production management system. We've established a comprehensive ERP system to realize end-to-end control and full process traceability of sales orders, production planning, material requisitions, and inbound and outbound logistics of raw materials and finished products. Centered on smart manufacturing, we've introduced first-class production technologies and automated equipment. Every production line is equipped with a MAS system, enabling full-chain production information traceability, intelligent scheduling, production planning and dispatching. This digital transformation has greatly enhanced our manufacturing flexibility and efficiency. For international business, our products are exported worldwide, with global sales and after-sales centers set up in the Czech Republic and South Africa, and a complete sales network covering Europe, Asia and Africa. In 2024, we established a wholly owned subsidiary in Hong Kong. Leveraging local resources, we're conducting in-depth cooperation with Hong Kong universities in R&D, international talent recruitment and foreign trade, while enriching our product portfolio to meet diverse needs of global customers. Past, present and future, BOOSTESS remains committed to innovation and customer-centric service. We continuously optimize production processes, improve efficiency and quality, and deliver products that exceed market expectations. Our mission, to create lasting value for customers, drive industry development, and spread green, clean energy across the globe. Guided by the principle of customer centricity, we continuously optimize product performance and service systems, leveraging sustained R&D investment to refine core technologies and offer highly customizable solutions. These solutions cater to diverse scenarios, from large-scale industrial and commercial energy storage projects and grid-connected applications to residential backup power needs and portable outdoor energy supply. To ensure universal adaptability, all our products undergo rigorous full-temperature range testing, enduring extreme conditions from -35 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, and have been validated in real-world projects like the Austrian Snowfield Extreme Cold Project, proving their stable operation even in harsh climates where temperature fluctuations can challenge conventional energy storage equipment. We also adhere to strict international industry standards, integrating advanced technologies such as solid-state batteries, big data energy management platforms and computing power storage into our product matrix to enhance energy conversion efficiency, cycle life and operational safety. Our after-sales service team, stationed in key global markets, provides 24/7 technical support, on-site maintenance and remote monitoring services, ensuring that every customer receives timely and professional assistance throughout the product lifecycle.